Welcome to my YouTube channel, The Motivation Manifest. Many of life's failures are people who did not realize how close they were to success when they gave up. Life is like a coin. You can spend it any way you wish, but you only spend it once. Never let the fear of striking out keep you from playing the game. Don't settle for what life gives you. Make life better and build something. I believe every human has a finite number of heartbeats. I don't intend to waste any of mine. The best way to predict your future is to create it. If you want to live a happy life, tie it to a goal, not to people or things. You must expect great things of yourself before you can do them. It had long since come to my attention that people of accomplishment rarely sat back and let things happen to them. They went out and happened to things. If you set your goals ridiculously high and it's a failure, you will fail above everyone else's success. You're braver than you believe, and stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think. You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. Everything you want is on the other side of fear. Life isn't about finding yourself. Life is about creating yourself. Believe and act as if it were impossible to fail. Always do your best. What you plant now, you will harvest later. When we are no longer able to change a situation, we are challenged to change ourselves. Always go with your passions. Never ask yourself if it's realistic or not. I can accept failure. Everyone fails at something. But I can't accept not trying. Spread love everywhere you go. Let no one ever come without leaving happier.